Dear students, today we are going to study about progesterone. In this session, we will study about its secretion, its types, and their pharmacological actions and uses of progesterone. So, let us start with the progesterone. Progesterone is an hormone which is which favors pregnancy. This hormone favors pregnancy. It is secreted by This hormone is secreted by ovaries. In ovaries, there are cells known as corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. These are the cells present in the ovaries which secrete this hormone. These are secreted in the later part of the menstrual cycle. Besides this, it is secreted by placenta. Placenta is present in pregnant lady which secretes lots of estrogens and progesterone in second trimester. Means at the 6th month of the pregnancy. Lot of estrogen and progesterones are secreted by this placenta. This hormone is also secreted in males by adrenals and testes, but in very small quantities. Very small quantities. Near about 1 to 5 milligrams are secreted in males. Now, let us study about its types. Types of progesterone. In general, we have two types. Number first is the natural. By name, it indicates that natural is that which is present in our body. We have, in this category, we have progesterone. Another are the synthetic. In synthetic group of progesterones, we have number first, medroxyprogesterone acetate. Medroxyprogesterone acetate. Number second, allyl estranol. Number third, megestrol. Number fourth, linustrenol. These are the common synthetic progesterones which are present, which we have in market. These were about the types of progesterone. Now, let us study about its actions. Actions of means pharmacological actions of progesterone. Number first, its actions on uterus. Progesterone is responsible for number first, secretory changes in uterus. Means it is responsible for rise and fall of secretions in uterus. Since it is the hormone which favors pregnancy, there occurs number of changes in the secretions of uterus. So this rise and fall of secretions is under the influence of progesterone. Next, it is also responsible for decidual changes. Decidual changes. Decidual changes, by decidual changes, we mean changes in the shape of uterus. Changes in shape of uterus. Since there's a lot of difference between a pregnant uterus and a non-pregnant uterus, the changes which occur in the pregnant uterus in its shape, that is those changes which facilitate the growth of the fetus within the womb, are under the influence of progesterone. Means decidual changes are under the influence of progesterone. Next, it helps us in the maintenance of the pregnancy because it favors these changes, so it helps in the maintenance of pregnancies. Next, its effects on cervix. Its effects on cervix. The watery and alkaline secretions, of the cervix gets converted to the viscid and santy. This viscid and santy secretions also facilitates the sperm to enter into the uterus. So these are the favorable conditions for the pregnancy. Next, its effect on vagina. Its effect on vagina. Vaginal epithelial changes are also under the influence of progesterone because vaginal epithelium gets changed in the pregnancy, so these changes are also under the influence of progesterone. Next, its effect on breasts. Its effect on breast. Progesterone helps in the development of secretory apparatus. Secretory apparatus means progesterone is responsible for the changes in the breast which prepares the breasts for lactation, which prepares the mammary glands for lactation for the child. So these actions are performed by the progesterone. Next, its effect on body temperature. It has been observed that there is a 1 degree rise in temperature, during the luteal phase of menstrual cycle. This 1 degree rise in temperature is due to the progesterone. Luteal phase means in the late half of the menstrual cycle. So these were the actions of the progesterone. Now let us study about the adverse reactions. Adverse reactions are same as headache, breast tenderness, increase in body temperature, acne, etc. These are the adverse reactions. Now coming to the uses of progesterone. There are a number of uses of progesterone. We will mention here few. For example, in replacement therapy. Replacement therapy. Replacement therapy in case of postmenopausal syndrome. Postmenopausal syndrome. This can be given as a treatment so as to avoid from the menopausal symptoms like that of hot flushes, anxiety, and etc. In that case, we can give as it as a replacement therapy. Next, it can be used as for ovarian suppression. Ovarian suppression. Because this causes the suppression of ovulation. It suppresses ovulation, which can be used in the dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea is a condition in which there are painful periods where this ovulation can be suppressed and the pain is subsided. This were the uses of the progesterone. For further details, we will meet in next session. Thank you.